that better? Alright, everyone. I'm going to talk about Evernote Concur Connect. It's a little project we've been working on. My name is Trudeau, and I'm a software developer on the Concur platform. So, Concur is the leading travel expense software in the world. We have 2/3 of the Fortune 500 market, and a lot of companies like to use Concur to keep track of all their expenses. And the old way is you have a ton of different things you have to do before you go on a business trip. You have to book your travel, you have to figure out where you're going to be staying, you have to keep track of all this paperwork that you get on your trip. So using Concur, you can help minimize that by automating all of that. You get to book your travel, and it's integrated with Concur e-receipt, so you automatically get a receipt to your expense report. And from that, we realized that a lot of users who use Evernote and Concur also like to add receipts into Evernote and keep track of them. So with Concur, you get that integrated experience. So Concur sees the world as having the perfect expense report, the perfect trip, and to add to that today, we're going to sync your receipts with Concur and Evernote. So you open up the Evernote app and you want to take a picture of your receipt. And you want to be able to easily search all of your receipts throughout your business trip, and you want to have it integrated with Concur Expense. So it's kind of a little bit of a thing. We've all been in the situation of George Costanza, where it's like all of these receipts to keep track of, and I've heard of horror stories of people having to tape their receipts to pieces of paper and then fax them in to get them into their expense report. But now with Evernote, you just open up the Evernote app. Open up the camera app, and I have a picture of a Chipotle receipt right here. And you just scan that right into Evernote. You attach the receipt. And as soon as it uploads, it'll automatically be in your receipt store inside of Concur. So that way, when you go to do your expense report, your receipt will be there as well. Do they put it on this? We get that working. So I have a Concur up, and I don't know if we're going to be able to get that. So now I'm taking a picture of the Chipotle receipt, and as soon as I open up you can open up the Concur mobile app or the web app and open up receipts. You refresh your receipts, and my Chipotle receipt is right there inside of the Concur app already, ready to add to your expense entry. Now, the other thing we've been working on is you usually have to take a lot of people to dinner for a business meal, and you always have to take their details and add them into Concur later as an attendee. So we realized that the Evernote feature of scanning business cards is a really great fit. So you take the business card scanner of Evernote, you scan in the card, and then that automatically syncs with your shared attendee list inside of Concur, so that way when you go to do your expense report, you automatically have that user in there to add to your expense report. So if you want to sign up for this service, if you already use Concur, just go to bit.ly/ConcurEC. There's a sign up page, this is going to be coming soon. If you go and sign up there, as soon as it's released, we'll let you know. And then Concur also has a platform just like Evernote, and if you want to come check that out, we have a conference here in San Francisco at the Westin St. Francis. Just go to developer.concur.com/devcon for more information. And we actually have a couple of free codes for people here in the crowd. If you go to the developer.concur.com/devcon and type in that code, it'll be a free ticket for DevCon. Thanks everyone. Hope you check it out.